So today, last week is Earth Day, April 22nd, but today I'm going to clean up the entire trash in my house. Oh, so we got plastic bag, all its pieces of trash. I pick up some trash from the ground. Let's do more. A lighter, the book one. This Sobeys reusable bag. It's not plastic. Someone threw it, but we'll throw it out because we are cleaning up lots of trash there, and we will go to the front yard of the house. Lastly, front of the house, trash everywhere, lottery tickets. Let's make this clean by end of the video. That's a lot of bags. But that's it for the day. See you on Friday.